Prime Minister Justin Trudeau and BC Premier David Eby announced on Tuesday a joint investment of over $1 billion to support a new lithium battery manufacturing plant in Surrey, BC. The plant, which will be operated by Canadian company Nano One Materials Corp, is expected to create 2,000 jobs and produce enough batteries to power 500,000 electric vehicles per year. The announcement was made at the Surrey campus of Simon Fraser University, where Trudeau and Eby were joined by Federal Innovation Minister François-Philippe Champagne, BC Energy Minister Bruce Ralston, and Nano One CEO Dan Blondell. Trudeau said the investment is part of the federal government's plan to achieve net zero emissions by 2050 and to make Canada a global leader in clean technology. Trudeau said, "This is a historic day for Canada and for British Columbia. We are partnering with Nano One to build a world-class battery plant that will help us meet our climate goals, create good jobs, and support a thriving electric vehicle industry in Canada." Eby said the investment is also part of BC's economic recovery plan, which aims to create opportunities for innovation and growth in the province. He said the plant will boost BC's green economy and position the province as a key supplier of battery materials for North America and beyond. Eby said, "BC is proud to be home to Nano One, a cutting-edge company that is developing a breakthrough technology for lithium battery production. This plant will not only create thousands of jobs for British Columbians, but also reduce our environmental footprint and enhance our competitiveness in the global market." Nano One is a Canadian company that has developed a patented process for producing high-performance lithium battery materials using low-cost and low-carbon sources. The company claims its technology can reduce the cost of battery production by up to 50% and extend the battery life by up to 3 times. The company has partnered with several global automakers and battery manufacturers to test and commercialize its products. Blondell said the investment from the federal and provincial governments will enable Nano One to scale up its production and meet the growing demand for lithium batteries. He said the plant will have an annual capacity of 100,000 tons of battery materials, enough to power 500,000 electric vehicles or store 10 gigawatt-hours of renewable energy. Blondell said, "We are thrilled to have the support of the federal and provincial governments for this project. This plant will showcase our innovative technology and demonstrate our commitment to sustainability and social responsibility. We look forward to working with our partners and stakeholders to make this plant a reality and a success." The federal government will provide $600 million for the project through the Strategic Innovation Fund, while the provincial government will contribute $450 million through the Clean BC Go Electric program. The project will also receive $50 million from the City of Surrey and $25 million from Nano One. The plant is expected to be operational by 2026.